Aloha, everyone. My name is David Perkins, and I will be your instructor for ASAN 121 Chinese Culture. I'm incredibly excited to be working with you this semester as we explore together the history of China and her historical relation with Japan and Korea. I'm fluent in Mandarin Chinese, having lived in Asia for 26 years, 21 years in Taiwan, and 5 years in Hong Kong in the shoe business. I retired from the shoe business in 2007, moved to Oregon, and taught Chinese in a public high school for 11 years. Studying about China is so relevant given what is going on in Asia today, the origins of COVID, changes in China's relationship with Hong Kong, China threatening to invade Taiwan, Chinese partnering with Afghanistan, just to name a few. There are two required texts we will be using for this course. The first is Making China Modern, available instantly from Amazon Kindle for $14.72. And it looks like this. It's Making China Modern. The next one is Life and Death in Shanghai, also available instantly from Amazon Kindle for $4.99. And that looks like this. Life and Death in Shanghai. Making China Modern, published in 2019, before COVID, consists of 12 chapters, which takes us from the last dynasty, the Qing dynasty, from 1644 to 1911, through to present time under President Xi Jinping. Life and Death in Shanghai is the narrative of one woman's torture and treatment during the Chinese Cultural Revolution from 1967 through to 1976. I will introduce each chapter of Making China Modern in a series of roughly 10 short videos for each chapter. All the PowerPoint files for my presentations will also be available for you to go through at your leisure. You will complete a 10-question online quiz at the end of each chapter, as well as answering one or two forum discussion questions based on material from the chapter. You will read Life and Death in Shanghai at your leisure and complete a paper sharing your feelings about the book. More details about that later. We will be using Laulima to facilitate everything about this course. And I'm going to take you to Laulima now. So there I am in Laulima, and there will be links and a lot of specific information about how to use Laulima as we go forward in the semester. So that's it. I hope you guys are as excited as I am to participate in this course, and I look forward to working with you over the semester. Thank you.